Alright guys, so I got this new Dainese sport jacket with the D-Air actually. Right now is a pretty good sale at the outlet for Black Friday, so if you guys see this video and are able to go check it out, just look up the Dainese outlet and they have it pretty much for good 40-50% off. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger and upgraded my jacket here, and this has got the jacket plus the integrated the airbag, so I figured get it all in one. Only issue with this generation is that you gotta send it into Dainese for them to refurbish it or kind of like re-up it if it does go off. So that is something you'll have to kind of pay attention to, but yeah, definitely, you know, an upgraded protection with the airbag, and it's got, you know, a good chest and back protector. A bunch of videos out there and going over that, but I just wanted to go over a quick video just setting it all up because it's a little more complicated than I initially thought it would be. So what I did first is that you're gonna get your cable here, and you want to actually charge up your jacket all the way. That's gonna take about 4 hours. So once you do that and charge it up, you're gonna download the app onto your computer here, where it allows you to basically register and get the jacket set up. So I missed phase one, but basically what I did was I had the plug set up here, plugged into the bottom of the jacket here at the USB. This is where you also charge it, and I plugged that in, and then I plugged it into the computer. When it read that, it basically already set up and connected with the program here. And phase one basically had me lay the jacket on the floor, and then I was it basically opened up this back area here, and then we actually had these wires in here that we kind of have to mess with and set up. The wires initially come with this plug, so you gotta actually use like maybe a little screwdriver or something just to kind of push this little piece down here, and then you just slide it out very gently, and then you're gonna have two connections that you're gonna make. So one's gonna be at the top here. The one at the bottom here was a little harder to find. The connection is right at the bottom here, and then that connects to the generator on that side. So you wanna basically put that all together, and this is the computer directions just showing you that. So showing you how you remove that plug that I just showed you, and then these are the connections that they want you to look for. Once you do that, you're gonna be able to connect the generators to the actual plug and to the main unit, and that's gonna be phase 3 here. So we'll go ahead and click next. And so yeah, so now it says lay down the airbag, and we'll close the clip and make sure everything's secured. So let me go ahead and close everything up, and then we'll plug the USB back in just like it says. So this is basically how it's gonna look when you're done. You're gonna have this wire from the gas generator kind of sticking out a little bit, but you're gonna tuck it under that Velcro or under that pouch under where the main unit is, and kind of the same thing on the other side. Then you go ahead and you put this button back. It's gonna go through this. There's a little hole in this white piece, and you basically put it through there, and you lock it down, and you close that. Once you do that, you can go ahead. So that's basically everything's closed up again. You go ahead and you plug in the USB cable, and as soon as I did that, it got me to phase 5 here, where it's the system ready. It says the device has been connected correctly, and the gas generators are working. So now we'll just go ahead to the next stage. And we'll go ahead and register. So once you enter your information and complete the registration, this is the final program. Basically, it shows you your battery percentage. I'm at 100 there. I got my language at English. System update. I don't think it updated because I never saw anything unless they just kind of did in the background. But it says everything's already updated there, so that's good. And then you can just kind of put it into shipping mode. So kind of a basic application program that you can use, and then it just kind of shows you shipping mode and just these things up ahead. So yeah, everything is green, so everything's powered up and ready to go. And this unit actually, the jacket actually comes with this cool button. So basically, if you want to prevent any connections, because basically the way you kind of turn on the jacket is you just plug in the buttons up here. So if you want to prevent that from happening and keep the unit off, and just to make sure that, you know, nothing gets accidentally connected, because there is kind of like a magnetic snap to it, you can push these buttons in and kind of use it right there, and that will prevent that from happening basically, and that's also good for like shipping, and that's how it came to the house when they sent it to me. So yeah, next we'll go ahead and we'll take it for a ride.